trying to fucking get you. Like, this shit was here before you. Trek Fit was Trek Fit before Isaiah. So it's not like I'm trying to get you for some intellectual properties or some shit. Or that. No, because that's what it seems like to me.
No,
Listen, I'm speaking. Let me finish. It seems like you're trying to protect yourself. If you're talking family and we're talking team, I should protect you, you should protect me. And that's it. That's it. So if we talking that family shit, then that's real. If we talking that business shit, then you need to protect yourself. And you need to do whatever you need to on a legal standpoint. But if we talking that family shit, like I told you before, like, good business get fucked up because people always want to be businessy.
Yeah.
And it's always protect. But if you come in there with a good heart and you're doing business with people with a good heart, you don't really need to protect. You will once y'all get to an understanding, like, all right, shit, we making a lot of money. Let's make sure the books is right. Let's make sure everybody getting paid the way they need to get paid. Let's make sure shit is right. But as far as this shit, we in survival mode. So like, when you send me some shit, like, this is what I want from Trek Fit, that shit bother me. Like, what the fuck you mean? Like, we need gas.
Relationship forward.
That don't matter though. That's the point. That shit don't matter right now.
How does that not matter? Everything I put
Where we at right now?
We're in Atlanta.
Do we got enough money to get anywhere? What's the fucking plan right now?
To hit a hedge fund.
No, the plan, we will do that, but the plan right now is to get right. So we hit a hedge fund and they're like, yeah, take 15 racks. Take this, complete your mission, and you move forward like this, then we're good. But right now it's just a target that we about to hit. So as far as our future, that's not even a concern. We go in there, we complete a mission. It's not about the longevity of putting your entrepreneur classes or programs into something. That shit is gone. As far as me fucking even putting shit for the future, that shit is gone. It's however we gonna get some capital so we can keep moving. That's it. That's the only thing that matters. So that we hitting this hedge fund because we need capital to move. We hit these sponsors because we need capital to move. When we get the capital, when they're like, all right, we're gonna cut a $15,000 check. Then it's like, all right, Zuri, you gonna get this. JP, you getting this. Isaiah, you getting this. Suf, you getting this. We putting this to that. And that once we get a check in our hand, that's when we talk about that shit.
So you're saying when we get a check in our hand, that's when we talk about it. That's it.
Exactly, because then survival was good. Now we straight. Right now we not straight.
No, we're not.
And that's why we got to get straight. And so when you text me some shit like that, it bothered me because now I'm thinking like you ain't even thinking about everybody else. You thinking about being protected.
Because at the end of the day, I was like the entire everybody. You can look at the title of the last episode, like Isaiah fucked up. That's literally the title.
Talk to that nigga.
It's Isaiah cornered and exposed for misleading the crew.
And you felt you didn't mislead the crew.
I didn't just feel like I didn't mislead the crew. I mean, like I know what I did. I know what I did.
So stand on it and let's move on.
And I did stand on it, but you know what? You're right. We're moving on. I want to know by the end of this that we're straight, so I can put my all into it. That's all I'm saying.
Are you here?
I'm here.
Then put your all into it. And you don't have to put your all into Trek Fit. You can put your all into Millennium. That's why everybody here building their shit. So now if you come up like, yo, Curt, I got these crazy ass designs for this bike shirt, and I think this shit gonna blow. Wear this shit when we get to Arizona. Put it on. I don't give a fuck. That's putting your all into it. You don't necessarily have to go for the workshops or do whatever. That shit is done. Like, we'll get to that shit when we get to that shit. But as far as your shit, put your all in your shit. That's what I want everybody to do. Just do them. Just do them. Get this trip over with. Y'all just do y'all. Like, everybody do what they need to do. We talk about that future shit when we get there. But as far as like now, go to this shit. See what they saying. I already started filling out the questionnaire. Talk to them. Get a meeting. See how quick they gonna move the money. If they're not gonna move quick, then we gotta go to different things. You know what I mean? Like, all right, what else do we need? How do we need to move? Blah, blah, blah. Like, other than that, we straight. I'm not worried about this shit. But I felt disrespected the way you texted me. And it could have went somewhere else if I wasn't standing where I am now. You know what I'm saying? Like, don't do that shit. Like, if you want to talk to me, call me. Like, texting and all that shit. And
I tried to call you.
Afterwards. after shit was done. So now I'll get a call like, don't call me now. You already put your foot in the toilet. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
If we need to speak, we're gonna speak as gentlemen. That's what men need to do. We speak as gentlemen, and if we can't speak, we fucking fight. That's what it comes down to. But we always speak like I conduct myself as a man and a gentleman. I'm gonna speak to people, and I'm not gonna curse you out, scream on you, get irate. Because we both know where we come from. We come from a place where that irate shit don't fly. Like, niggas don't argue where I'm from. Like, either we fighting or somebody getting shot. That's the short of it. Like, either they was fighting or they got shot, and whoever arguing, they usually a bitch. You know what I'm saying? But we just come and we sit down, we talk. That's it.
So, moving forward, so we going?
That's it. You know where it's at?